welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series. And we're going to make a fall recipe this time, and this is a recipe for pumpkin scones. I really love them, even if my children didn't, but I thought they were great, so let's get started.
First of all, our ingredients. We need 2 cups or 250 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1½ teaspoons pumpkin spice. See the link of the card if you need a recipe for it. ½ teaspoon salt, ½ cup or 125 grams of butter, ½ cup or 110 milliliters of whipping cream, 1 egg, ½ cup or 115 grams of pumpkin puree, ½ cup or 100 grams of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, extra coarse sugar to sprinkle on top. Combine all dry ingredients first: flour, baking powder, cinnamon, pumpkin spice, and salt. Use a whisk to combine. Cut in butter. I prefer using my hands for this. Make sure the cream is well combined and the fat isn't separated. Set aside a tablespoon or 2. Next, combine all the rest of the ingredients in a separate bowl. Cream egg, pumpkin, brown sugar, and vanilla. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry and stir them together. If your dough is as wet and sticky as mine, you're going to need a bit more flour. Add it a tablespoon or 2 at a time until the dough comes together and is possible to pick up and move without sticking to your hands. Then pat the dough into a disc onto a lined baking sheet. Using a knife, cut the dough into pieces and separate them with a bit of space between each one. Using a pastry brush, paint on cream. Sprinkle with coarse sugar. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. These scones are lovely, crunchy crust with the sugar and nice and soft on the inside. It tastes of cinnamon and pumpkin. These would pair great with the pumpkin spice latte. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Support us on Patreon and subscribe for more recipes.